Hello everyone, I'm your Punjabi chef Pratik Dhawan and I welcome you back to another episode. In this episode, I'm going to prepare an Indian appetizer that is Dahi Lasuni Murg Tikka. Though it is not so famous like its cousin Murg Malai Tikka, but it gets more points for its bold garlicky savoriness. So let's prepare velvety Dahi Lasuni Murg Tikka. To begin with, we're going to start cutting the chicken. I'm going to use breast piece. I'm going to cut it into two. Now I'm going to start off with the marination. First, I'm going to add 2-star ingredients of the dish, that is hung curd, garlic, the 2nd-star ingredient, green chili paste. Next, I'm going to add kaju paste. With that, I'm also going to add cream. I'm going to give a nice big stir so that all the things get nicely mixed together. And now I'm going to add all the masalas. To begin with, I'm going to add little bit of red chili powder. With that, I'm going to add garam masala, black pepper cumin powder, and coriander powder. Again, I'm going to give a nice stir. I'm going to add little salt. Now I'm going to add roasted besan. This is the thick consistency I'm looking for. As you can see, it's very thick. You all might be wondering why I've added roasted chickpea flour to the marination. There are 3 reasons to it. It gives thickness, crunchiness, and binding to the marination. And now I'm going to add the final ingredient, that is mustard oil. The reason I've added mustard oil is because it gives a nice aroma and good smoking point to the tikka. So guys, our marination is now ready. I'm putting the marination in the chicken. As you can see, it is nice velvety. I'm going to mix the chicken with the marination. The reason I'm using my hand is because my mother always tells me that if you use your hands, the chicken will become more flavorful and delicious. So chicken is nicely marinated. I'm going to let the chicken rest for half an hour and then we'll start off with the grilling. My chicken has properly rested in the marination. Now I'm going to put it in the skewer and then we'll grill it. I'm going to take one piece and put it in zigzag formation. My first skewer is done. Now I'm going to use the same action for the rest. All my skewers are ready. Now I'll start grilling them. Now I'm going to heat the pan, add mustard oil, Before I add chicken to this pan, let me tell you that there's another marination for the kebab which is very similar to this marination, but I'm going to let it be a suspense for another episode. Our pan is heated up. Now I'm going to put the skewer in the pan. I've turned the chicken, it's come nice golden brown. Let me tell you an anecdote about chicken tikka. It's very famous not only in India but also in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Chicken tikka is not only an appetizer but also a main ingredient from various curries. I'm gonna baste the chicken with butter. Basting is a process in which we add fat or stock on meat to keep it moist. To finish off, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. I've taken a coal, I'm heating it. The reason being, I want to give a nice smoky flavor to the chicken. I've already kept the bowl, now I'm going to add coal in it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of butter. And now I'm going to close it with the lid to get that smoky flavor. Our chicken is ready. Now we'll start off with the plating. Now I'll start plating the tikkas. To finish off, I'm going to sprinkle some chaat masala, a garnish of coriander, and serving it with homemade green chutney. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious Dahi Lasuni Murg Tikka. Do come again for amazing scrumptious recipes. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.